All right, gang. One of the things I've been struggling with here is when it comes time to doing the walls, like I have here. I'm getting ready to do a few more wall patches. I'm going to do this one and that one and a couple of those smaller ones down there tonight. This evening, now that the sun is the right direction, you can see we've gotten a whole lot of stuff done on the floor. We're making progress. We're going the right way. But anyway, I was like, how do I deal with that hole? So, this is what it looks like when it's got the eyelet in there. What I ended up doing was I unscrewed that eyelet, and I've been looking around for something that would fit in here, and I came across, I thought like a 355 mil can, not like a Coke can because those are too wide, but some of those slimmer, taller cans, the slim tall cans that are 355 mils would work. They're just a little bit too wide. I came across this old peach yogurt here in the recycling, and check this out. Perfect fit. So what we're going to do is we're going to just trowel around that, and then we'll just be able to cut it out, when we're done. So that's the game plan for that. We'll see how it goes. All right, another 5 patches done. So 1, that one was done before, 2, and then 3 small ones, 3, 4, 5. We used our yogurt container here, and worked pretty good. I got a few little marks there on the side from the trowel, but I'm gonna just plan to sand that stuff out. I noticed when I did that one, I was still mixing my patch mortar a little bit too wet, and it wanted to fall out. It was trying to fall out. And if you feel this, it's a little bit wobbly. That'll sand out, I'm assuming, as well. But this one, with this mix here, it's hanging in real good. Like, it's not trying to fall out at all. So that's good. A bug stuck in this thing already. Oh, yeah, a centipede. Or something. There's a big guy there. Oh, that fell. Hey, how are you? Anyway, I think that's if I have any pro tips, it's to make sure you're mixing it up dry enough on these wall patches. The other thing too that I want to add specifically about doing the walls, and this was a tip from Swimming Pool Steve, was that when you're doing your acid wash, and of course you've got all of your, it's extra important, I would say, to have all of your gear on, all of your safety gear, but put a teaspoon or 2 of dish soap into the acid wash, and it kind of helps hold it on the wall a little bit longer. So I did that, and it did seem like that it was traveling down the wall slower, with the bubbles and stuff. It was kind of just hanging on. So we still did a number of scrubs, but yeah. Anyway, that's the update on the walls. We're declaring it here tonight, officially halfway down the pool. So we are, if I was to draw a line at the midway point of the pool, we are done all the way up to there. One could argue that this patch would have to be done too, to be able to say we were done half. So maybe not quite, but we're getting there. All right, more to. I just wanted to show a very interesting difference right now. Oh yeah, good. You got an apple lead. This section here has all been just TSP'd. Just TSP is all that's been done there, and you can see how it's all look like it looks. I don't know, all exposed and kind of ready to go. This part has not been done yet. So even just the TSP does a heck of a job cleaning things up. So we're going to pour that long patch all the way over to there. Where's my finger? I'm zoomed in. To there tonight. But we still need to acid wash. But that TSP does a heck of a job. Yeah, the chalk's washed off a little bit, but it'll be all right. All right, it's super late. It's about 11:30 at night here. We just did this big wall patch. Lighting's not as good over that way. But what I'm doing here with this tape is I did a pretty good job of keeping the concrete off of the tiles. And I am a little bit concerned. Part of why I'm videotaping this is that I'm a little bit concerned about some of these gaps. I'll show you in a second once it gets that off. There we go. That is extremely stuck to my hand. There we go. Let's go back in better light. A little concerned about some spots kind of like this, where it's going to be like probably a little bit hard to sand. What I may do is come along here. See, that's a pretty nice edge there. I'm honestly a little bit scared to mess with this too much because I've been fighting with it quite a lot. That's one little spot there. That's not great. That'll sand out. And here it got up under the tape, so I'm definitely going to take that out with a with the edge of the trowel. But this here patch took us probably about 3 hours. But that's one of the biggest wall ones that we have, the longest, I would say, continuous piece. So it's good to have that one in the rear view. Hey everybody, just wanted to document this moment. We're done patching. It's been a journey. It was a lot of work, but we got it done. It's a little bit hard to really see here in the dark, and I will do another clip tomorrow in the daylight. We just finished this this patch here. That's that was the last one. We emptied this pool. We started emptying it on the 8th of August, and it was fully empty on the 10th of August. And today, for at least another hour, is the 10th of September. So this part took a month. Now, we weren't working on it full time. There's a lot of stuff going on, kids' activities, all that stuff, but a lot of evenings we're out here, like tonight, pouring patches after when the sun went down, and yeah, we made it. On to the next phase. Hello again, Swimming Pool Steve. Probably wonder if I dropped off the planet. No, I've just been patching this pool for the month. Took us about 30 days, almost to the hour. The floor ended up being significantly worse than we initially thought once we started dragging the hammer around. And you can see, especially in the deep end over there, like this pool is now, I don't know, 50% patch. Action. Action.
Hi everybody, I've bought this, well, I didn't buy this plant. Well, I've just found it in a tree. So let's try it out. See what I can do. Hi, what's this? Finger but so hard.
Whoa!
Oh,
I landed on Mommy's plant.
okay.
Having fun in the pool,
So let's throw it.
even without water.
Smooth.
Let her rip.
Smooth. Hey, that's a my line.